Samuel Harmon?
Yes, Samuel Harmon. So, side note on him. His dad called me and said he filed a grievance on me, but I'm still going to represent him. But he apologized for filing it because he said he didn't know I was coming to visit him that day.
The joys of what you do.
Yeah.
Good morning. Are you Samuel Harmon?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 25 DCCR 1019. Mr. Harmon's charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And Ms. Holmes, what is the announcement?
Yes, Sharon, if we could get one more reset. We did receive another offer from the state today that I would like Mr. Harmon to review with his family. And also I'll come out to visit with him as well so we can make a decision by the
All
next
right.
work day.
I'll reset one more time. Any issues?
Just, Your Honor, that was a 12-year offer that's going to remain open until the next court setting.
Okay.
Withdrawn.
Okay, so Mr. Harmon, it sounds like there's an offer that's on the table that they've going to keep open until that next court date. Make sure you visit with Ms. Holmes about it, visit with your family about it. Sounds like there's not any more negotiation. The offer is what it is. If you want to take it, we'll take care of that when you come back. If you don't, you want a trial, we'll get your case set for trial. Okay, you can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Brittany Litchfield,
Yes.
would y'all, I'll print the first one if you'll print the second one, please. Is Burbank still in here? Mr. Burbank, do you have somewhere else to be?
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna give me just a minute to
Yeah,
do.
I was supposed to be in hard county. I'm not going back.
Okay,
Take all that.
okay, thank you.
Me too.
Good morning, are you Brittany Litchfield? Give me just a second to get this printed out. And will your client waive the formal reading of the motion in each case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Litchfield, in cause number 21-37098, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation December 12th of 2022 for the state jail felony offense of abandoning a child, and that was a 2-year term in the state jail prison that was probated for 5 years. Is that correct?
Judge will still abandon arguments 6 and 7 on each motion and just proceed on 1 through 5.
In each motion, 1 through 5?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. All right, and then in cause number 21-37099, I also have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows you were again placed on probation December 12th of 2022 for the offense of abandoning a child, and that was also a 2-year term in state jail prison that was probated for 5 years. Is that also correct? Each of these cases, the state has elected to proceed on counts 1 through 5 in the motions. They each allege in count 1 that you violated your probation by failing to report to the probation department as directed October 15th, October 31st, and November 14th of 2024. And is that true or not true? Count 2 in each case alleges that you failed to work faithfully at suitable employment and provide verification of that. Is that true or not true? Count 3 in each case alleges that you failed to immediately report to the probation officer your current address. Is that true or not true?
Before a single charge is even read, notice the tension already in the room. A grievance filed, an apology made, and yet the lawyer stays in court. Loyalty and strategy don't always walk the same line. So what's really going on here?
Count 4 alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community service hours that were required. Is that true or not true? And then count 5 alleges that you failed to provide verification of entering and successfully completing the parenting class. And is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1 through 5 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead true to those counts in each case because they're actually true? In each of your cases, I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as Exhibit Number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Ms. Holmes? Do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreements that you've reached with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? State tenders number 1 in each case.
No objection.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Ms. Litchfield is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, in each of your cases, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 through 5 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence in each case to revoke your probation. In cause number 21-37098, revoke your probation and reassess your punishment in accordance with your agreement to a term of 12 months in the state jail prison. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. And then in cause number 25-37099, also find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, and at this time revoke your probation, reassess your punishment in accordance with that agreement to a term of 12 months in the state jail prison. You will also receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive.
This is the fork in the road, a 12-year offer frozen in time until the next date. Take it or roll the dice at trial. No more bargaining, no safety net. If this were you, would you gambler take the certainty?
These cases will run concurrently, which means together at the same time. I'm going to hand you in each case the trial court certifications that shows that these were agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I'm also handing you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgments entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Ms. Holmes. Good luck to you, ma'am, and thank you for being here.
New name, new case, and this is where probation stops being a second chance and starts becoming a countdown. Every true here is a brick laid against her freedom. Missed reports, no job verification, no address updates, no classes in revocation, hearings. Admitting true doesn't argue innocence, it hands the judge the keys. Once the judge finds those violations true, the outcome is no longer a question of if but how much time. Concurrent sentences, 1 year, 2 cases served together. To some that sounds merciful, to others it's the cost of chances already spent. Do you think the system was fair here, or was this inevitable from the start?